Okay, buffet Block A. Oh. Oh ni? Oh, Block C dekat base ni mau.
Mana Block A yang dekat tadi tu. Kita reception tadi.
Cakap dekat apa? Cakap biasa 8 lah kan?
Haa. 807.
807. On your left. Mana ada? Betul lah? Masuklah. Masuklah. On your left. Oh lah, betul lah. Belakang ni lah. On your left. Betul tak?
Yang ke warna laut mana? Sini. Oh, situ je. Oh, tu
Betul tak?
Pull the card towards the panel of the lock. Apa? Oh, tak ada lah yang tu tak ni.
Aduh. Macam-macam. Nak apa residence nah? Tu beza
Kita kat KCC tu.
Tu beza resident dengan resort. Dia kata, oh I don't want resident, I want resort. Boleh.
Resident ni macam orang punya lah, sewa. Dapur. Okey ni, dekat lepak.
Dah okay, nak makan mana ni?
Yo, ada urut. Tu pickleball mah. Tengah trend lah pickleball ni.
Kebal apa?
Macam tenis tapi macam badminton main. Tapi main kat
Oh ni Kim, aku kata TV kan satu.
Yo ni kata tak ada. Saya beli lah.
Kita nak beli mana? Ni beli mana?
Mana di laut ni?
Di laut tu lah, kiri. Sini. Terus dah sampai. Ni laki laut. Oh, look at that everyone. Holy moly. Can I get out? Can I get out? Eee, cockroach. Oh, we can. Look at that. It's fantastic. Oh, that one is, I think, there's no one in that pool. Holy moly. Whoo. I know. It's one of the good way place. Put your man here. Aye. What is it said? Please keep door closed. What is that? Can you read in what you call? Backward? Do tell me what's that? So yeah. So welcome everyone to another video. Yeah, your man currently at Podison. Enjoying the view here. Ain't no way. Yeah, I think this might be Mr. Yo room, so I might as well. But I don't think Mr. Yo will stay here. Yeah, it's twin beds. Yeah, I don't think Mr. Yo will stay here. But first, how do we open the aircon? This one. This one. How to open? What the? Tak masuk kad ke? Kad tak masuk Where's the card? Patutlah. Dia tak masuk kad. Where's the card? Oh ni. We take one card. We give power. Here we go. Now we have power. Now everything operable. Just now no card. No wonder. Okay, it's already open. So now it looks clearer to explore the room. Sean, I believe this is Mr. Yo's room. Hey, Sean.
Mama ada yang ambil.
Mama jauh sikit. Elok lah tu.
Mama tak ada yang ambil.
Elok lah.
So bad.
Spirit. Full kan?
Full sikit.
So this is master room, I believe so, everyone. Master room got wee toilet, overhead shower, which is fantastic. And we got some dining and some TV. Yeah, your mom can watch anime later. So yeah, that's basically it. I think it locked. Yeah, it's locked. Unfortunately, we can't open this, but it's okay. So this is the living room. And we got another one, another double bed. Yeah, is it the Mr. Yo room? I think Mr. Yo room is either this one or that one. Let's just see. But first, let's explore first. This one definitely do not have any thingy. But yeah. So the single one will stay over that room. I believe so. Of course, that is ours. Single bed. Of course, that is us. So let's take the room. So yeah, overall okay, I guess. Supposedly. Okay. So now your mom gonna charge phone first, and yeah, let's get on with it.
Bosan lah, I cakap lah. Cantik tu.
Yeah, I know right. Good spot right. But sadly, it's a single room.
Nanti ayah cuy sini ya.
Twin bed.
Tak nak tengok.
No, you want me to take your photo lah.
Yeah. Wait lah.
Yes.
Cantik lah.
Yes.
Ni tu tapi spoil
Yes.
lah. Nampak ni pula.
Ya, buruk orang ni. Jepam.
J-pop. Yes, now I want
Yeah, a Dota man just now. So Flora is a fan. Tu tekan. Tekan butang plus ni.
Nampak terkepak tu apa?
Siapa yang apa?
Mana nak?
Video awak tu macam terkepak, pam. Benda tu bukan boleh buka ke? Oh, ni. Dia tepak, terkepak ah.
Oh ni.
Tu.
Ni negatif. Oh, kena pusing kot. Tu.
Baru? Oh, salah.
Oh, pinggir ni?
Ni tu. Yang keluar belakang yang single.
So let's see how it turn out.
Di sini je.
Sepil. Oh ya, tahu.
Ha?
20 saya kan tinggi ah. Tinggi 20.
Ada warranty je.
Limited warranty.
Ada tak?
I don't know how many years. Limited, he said.
Ada warranty je.
Amazing.
Campur kan?
Dah nak kan? Cara keras dia. Pusing ah?
Kau kena pusing balik kot kan keluar angin lah kan?
Kalau tak kena pusing sana negatif.
Ha.
Di flip.
Yes.
Tapi
Dah nak
itu
ke?
balik je. Itu balik je.
Ha, terbalik.
Ni betul. Sebut dia.
Oh.
Oh, ialah dia ada tempat ni macam bantal untuk tu.
Oh, ha. Yes. Wah, Double bed ah.
Saya tidur. Tapi rasa macam belum cukup.
Belum Kau tak tambah lagi apa?
Cukup lah nak ke macam mana lagi.
Jap, you cuba baca tengok ni. Mama beli.
Cari baring.